What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change screen recorder quality on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on additional settings. Now in additional settings, click on screen recorder and after that click on resolution. Now from here you can change the screen recorder quality. So you have three options, so just simply tap on option to select, and you can also change the video quality. So from here you can select any option. So that's how you can change the screen recorder quality on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.